Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria on both mobile and PC. First, let's get you started. Terraria is an expansive sandbox adventure where you explore, build, and fight. You'll begin by creating your unique character and generating a new world. Consider your preferred playstyle when choosing between PC's precision and mobile's convenience, as each offers a distinct experience. On PC, you'll primarily use your keyboard and mouse. WASD keys control movement, while your mouse handles aiming, attacking, and mining. The escape key opens your inventory, and number keys 1 through 10 quickly select hotbar items. Remember to use the quick stack feature to easily organize your loot into nearby chests. Mobile Terraria offers an intuitive touch-based experience. A virtual joystick on the left controls movement, while various buttons on the right handle actions like jumping and attacking. You can pinch to zoom in or out, and simply tap the screen to mine, place blocks, or engage foes. The auto-select feature helps manage your tools efficiently. It's important to note that Terraria does not currently support cross-platform multiplayer between PC and mobile devices. However, you can enhance your mobile experience by connecting a Bluetooth controller for more precise input. For advanced players, the official Terraria wiki is an invaluable resource, offering thousands of crafting recipes and detailed boss strategies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.